Hi, this is Jake from Cabinet Solutions Design Software, and on today's video, we're going to be building a knee space cabinet. Now, the steps that I'm going to go through are the exact same steps as you would go through for a face frame style cabinet. I'm just building this out of Euro. So let's draw our wall, make it 100 inches, go to our place cabinet screen, and let's go ahead and place in some cabinets. I'm going to place a regular base cabinet, place in another regular base cabinet, which we'll be using for our knee space, and then placing in a drawer bank for the other side of this desk that we're creating. Let's go to our elevation screen and click on this middle cabinet to customize it. From here, we're going to be going to our cabinet standards and just removing the information that we don't want. So let's go to our nailers and stretchers. We're going to remove just our nailers. And let's go to our toes and sleepers and remove all. Then click on apply to cabinet number 2. And now we just need to turn this into a single opening with a drawer box in it. So we're going to go to our view and delete boards and just click on clear interior. Now we can change this opening to a giant drawer. Let's go to openings and rollouts. Click on the opening and change it to a drawer. Click on OK and OK again. Now we can go back to our place cabinet screen and just adjust the height of this plus the distance from the floor to bottom. So let's go to edit cabinet. We're going to adjust the height of the cabinet from 34.5 to, let's say, 5.5 inches. And the distance from the floor to bottom will be that 34.5 minus the 5.5. So that's going to be 29 inches. And if we did our math right, everything should be flush. And again, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software. This is how you make a knee space cabinet with our software. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 209-836-4077. We're more than happy to help out. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.